This is Igbo Area TV.
Hello, I am Azuka Ozo OJ, Igbo Area TV. Today we're going to be looking at something that worries us. We promoted, and just like many other Igbos, Emeka Ihedioha. When we had Emeka Ihedioha won the Imo gubernatorial race, we were so happy. We believe change is coming to Imo. And we also supported the probe of our past administrations in Imo to make sure Imo is better. We were saying, yes, Imo have been ill-governed for some while, and we hope there will be a change. Because anything Igbo interests us. Yes, we put interest on anything Igbo. But there are certain things one will begin to do. We want to know what is wrong. Now let's tell you how it is. Just like our friend Chijoke Ngobili will say, I am not an economist, but I will approach this as a patriotic Igbo citizen based on patriotic common sense. Look at this picture. One, it is engine work in Innoson's factory in Nnewi. The picture 2, Innoson carrier. It's like Hilux. While on the picture 3 on the screen, that is Ford Ranger. It's also like Hilux. So, what you see here are 3 pictures. On the first one, you see engine work in Innoson's factory in Nnewi. The second one is an Innoson carrier. It looks like Hilux. And the third one is Ford Ranger. It also looks like Hilux. Imo State Governor Emeka Ihedioha recently purchased about 100 Ford Ranger vehicles for police operations in his state. A lot of people are worried he didn't patronize indigenous homemade products like Innoson. And some people jumped to defend his decision. They said in some, Ford is also assembled by another Igbo man, Koscharis in Lagos, and that is no different from buying from Innoson. That is very incorrect. Having sought expert opinions from hardworking and very informed Igbo entrepreneurs like Chidi Ugu, one would realize his incorrectness. Let's look at it. Ford is a US product that produces its cars in US and elsewhere, but not in Nigeria. However, Ford gave Cosmas Madoka Koscharis a franchise to assemble and sell its cars and car products. Going by Igbo economic patronage, since this Koscharis Ford car assembly is not in Igbo land / Southeast, it doesn't pay tax to Igbo land Southeast and doesn't benefit the Igbo home economy directly except its host state, which is Lagos Southwest. The little outlet I know Koscharis opened in Nnewi along Nnobi Road in the 90s wasn't doing so well for many years. I don't even see the site again whenever I am in Nnewi. Whether it's sold out or not, I am not aware. But on the contrary, Innoson's car factory is in Umudim, Nnewi, Anambra State, pays its tax to Anambra State and directly benefits the Igbo home economy in multiple ways, which include generation of jobs, transportation, accommodation renting, feeding, clothing, and so on. Innoson is not a franchise of anyone, but Koscharis is a franchise of Ford based in Lagos. The money Innoson generates is not shared with any foreign company, but Koscharis shares its sales profit with Ford using a formula they agreed on. Again, this model of Innoson vehicle you see in picture 2, look at the picture, is reportedly priced at 7 million naira. But the Ford you see in picture 3 is reportedly priced at 11 million naira. 100 of this Innoson carrier would cost about 700 million naira, while 100 of this Ford Ranger here would cost about 1.1 billion naira. So what's the drive? There may be other drives that makes Ihedioha prefer to get Ford. Perhaps impatience or something else we can't see on the surface. While Innoson wouldn't be able to supply 100 of this brand in a short time, Ford will be able to. Both vehicles can do what a police vehicle needs to do. Ford is much older than Innoson with decades of production and sales experiences. It may take Innoson longer to get to that status, but it means making sacrifice for a long time. This sacrifice is what Ihedioha and those who are arguing in his favor aren't ready to make or encourage by example or are being outright insincere. But that same sacrifice is what Peter Obi made to make Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing, IVM, stand on its feet today. Obi bought IVM buses for all the schools in Anambra State, numbering more than 100, meaning he had to be patient with IVM to manufacture up to that number. 2 of the Anambra State gifted IVM vehicles are in my hometown's compound in Anambra and have been operating smoothly since the Peter Obi administration till now, proving durability and resilience. Nigeria Army use IVM cars, numbering up to 70 now, but they weren't supplied without some patience exercised. In fact, let's list for you how Nigeria government has patronized Innoson. Innoson's IVM carrier, that's 4-wheel drive, it was good for Nigerian Army. They bought some. It was good for Nigerian Air Force. It's also used by Nigerian Police, the Federal Road Safety Commission, the Civil Defense. But it's amazing that a fellow Igbo, Emeka Ihedioha, wouldn't patronize his own. Why not he make it at least 50-50 or a little higher in favor of IVM? You know, we are championing the cause to patronize our own. And we felt Emeka Ihedioha should have patronized our own. That is why we are crying here, that he should lead by example and make Igbo land grow. That is what we are championing here. And let's leave long talk aside. Emeka Ihedioha has no significant reason not to buy this IVM carrier, even if it's 50 of it, just like we said, and simply have them driven from Nnewi to Owerri instead of buying 100 of Ford Ranger with all the shipping costs from US to Nigeria, Lagos or Port Harcourt Seaport, and then bearing another transportation cost to get them to Owerri. This is clearly a lack of economic patriotism for a decrepit home economy we have all been shouting Akulueuno for. But as they say, talk is cheap. Manolu no mume amalonde bunde. I hope Emeka may still want to buy vehicles for schools and offices in his state in Fusho. Let's watch him and his supporters on the basis of another chance to see if he will redress this bad outing. As Umubilibo would wisely sing, we can't be powerful without empowering ourselves first. This material was put up by Chijioke Ngobili. You see, it's sad too. And we are saying Akulueuno, patronize homemade products. How can homemade products grow if you don't patronize them? We are not against you buying things from overseas. Even in the US there, or where those cars are manufactured, they have restriction for certain goods from other countries. Yeah. The essence is for your own economy to grow. You understand? Obi did it. Why can't he do it? Jonathan bought a lot of Innoson vehicle. Many government offices in Abuja are using Innoson vehicle. Why can't we patronize our own? Ndị Igbo emela unu gịnị? Ọ gịnị na-eme anyị ndị Igbo? Ife a metụrụ anyị nke ukwuu. You enrich your brother, and there's a way he also, asị aka nni kwa aka ekpe kwa aka nni. Patronize homemade products. Let homemade products grow. Support them. This has been our song for some while now. Please, we would like to hear your contributions on this. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.